How are you? Good? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
That is so crazy.
Can I take a picture?
Yes, yes.
Look crazy.
So damn, what the hell? And I ask you again. Look, look. Good morning, you guys. What is good? Hope you guys are all doing well. Look, back in this busy, crazy neighborhood in Madrid. We are in Gran Via, so Max has gone out this morning, so I was gonna get one stranger here, then I'm meeting up with him later after training. So it's really cool because the last time when I was here, actually Madrid was like my very first place that I came to in Spain, so it's like always super nice to come back here. And it was like back in the time I had no idea really what I was doing or anything like that, so yeah, it's super cool to come back now with the business. And now that Barcelona's my home, this guy just wants to run me over, gracias. London, I'll be doing a lot of work like shooting and stuff like that, so we are all go, we are all go. Max is gonna help me shoot some content here with the new gimbal, so I'm super excited about that. So hope you guys are all doing well, enjoying life. What is your plan for the summer? Madrid is a vibe because like the people here are so stylish, so it should be dope. Do you speak English or Spanish? No, estoy grabando un video sacando fotos a gente desconocida para YouTube. Si quieres una foto, sería súper rápido. Saco fotos así en la calle.
Vale.
¿Sí? ¿De dónde eres?
Toda Argentina.
Argentina, guay. Pero, ¿has hecho unas fotos antes?
Nunca.
No, nunca. Pero vamos aquí con esta, creo que con la luz de aquí sería guay. Pero, yes, ponte así. En la cabeza un poquito más, así. Yep. Yes, man, perfect, perfect. Looking at me? Sí, a mí? Yes, dope. Y una así con este, haz esto, no con el pendiente, sí, vas así, yeah, like that. Yes, nice, nice, nice. Aguanta, aguanta. Y probamos una, así también, and quizás aquí en esta parte. ¿Quieres sentar así? En el suelo está, mola, mola. Yes, y más así. Yes, aguanta. Okay, yes, y ahora ponte sería así. Sí, and just like that. Yes, mira. Pero esta es mola. Ok, boom.
Bye. ¿Te sigo en el Instagram?
Sí, claro, si me mandas un mensaje con tu correo. Ok, boom. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Guillermo.
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 Ok, Brad. Las
Muchas
primeras
gracias.
fotos, boom. Ok, chao. ¿Te importaría si saco una foto? Me encanta mucho tu estilo. Y saco fotos a gente en la calle cuando me gusta su estilo así. Así que...
Sí, yo soy muy mayor, yo, hijo.
Te lo veas súper bien.
¿Cuántos años dices que tengo? ¿78?
No, menos.
¿No? Del 45 soy.
¿45?
Del 45, del 1945 nací.
Ok, wow.
Así que 78 años.
Parece no.
Sácamela de que
Bueno, ¿de dónde eres aquí, Madrid?
Además no soy de Madrid, yo soy de Cantabria.
Oh, me encanta Cantabria.
Yo vivo en los picos de Europa, se llama.
Oh, damn, quiero ir.
Pero está justo en los picos de Europa.
Tengo ganas de ir, es un paisaje no súper bonito.
Tienes que ir,
Sí. So, tú, por ejemplo, voy a sacar una foto aquí. Ok, ¿ahora me miras? Sí. Ok, algunas más aquí. Yes, me encantó el outfit. Está súper chulo. Guay, brutal, brutal. Y me mires, sí. Pues gracias, encantado y hasta luego. Okay guys, this girl here looks like a photographer. I'm gonna ask her. Let's see if we can get her on there. Hey, excuse me. Hey. Wait, I met you in Milan, no?
No.
No? Didn't I take your portrait?
Sorry,
Or have you been to Milan?
no.
No. Okay. Because when I was in Milan, there was a girl, I do like pictures of strangers, and she had dyed her hair the same color, photographer studying. Okay. Anyway, that's fine. I was gonna ask, so I do pictures of strangers for YouTube, and I saw you with the camera. Are you a photographer?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I wanted to see if I could get some photos of you instead because I like your style, and we could do some here in the street.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't like take pictures.
I know, that's why I wanted to ask, because I know like sometimes a lot of photographers wouldn't, but I can show you like this. For sure they're gonna... What kind of photography do you do? Portraits or...
English no.
Don't worry.
Yeah.
But like land buildings or...
Building. Or
Okay.
Document.
Documentary.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Yeah, stuff like this.
Okay.
See, you live here in Madrid?
No.
No, just holiday.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Mandarin?
Italian.
Oh no, you speak Italian?
Yeah.
Yeah, why?
Study at Milano.
So you study in Milano?
Yeah.
But once did I take your picture or no?
No.
No, with the picture? Remember? So I asked you for a picture?
I don't know.
Okay, I think, cause look, there's a girl maybe, and you had maybe a mask, Corona.
Maybe.
There's a girl that looks just like you look, I think on my YouTube. Because I remember you said, when I met you, I said, are you a photographer? And you said, no, but I'm doing documentary and studying in Milan.
Yeah.
Same here and same contacts, look.
Yeah.
That's you! I was like, how did you not remember? Yes, did you see the video? You
No,
see?
I
No.
don't know.
Okay. You guys, this is so crazy. I knew it was you. So insane. I knew because I remember like the Nikon.
Yeah.
That's what I said. Are you studying in Milan? I took, okay. Well, welcome. How are you? Good? Yeah. Ni jintingula hauma? How? Okay, boom. So, you know. That is so crazy.
Can I take a picture?
Yes.
So crazy.
So damn, what the hell? And I ask you again. Look.
Wow.
Madrid is good, no? Madrid is really nice. So I live in Barcelona.
Oh, so good.
See, Barcelona is really cool. Yes, love it. Yes, perfect. Stay there. And like this again? Yeah. And looking this way. Okay, and now one more this way. And just like walking it. Okay, boom. And a couple more here. Oh, love that. Say that. Love them. Look at these.
Oh, so good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Awesome. And one like looking up here? Yeah. Okay, boom. Okay, love them. Mola mucho el estilo, estoy sacando fotos de gente desconocida. Si queréis una foto
Vale.
juntos o si separados, sí.
Okay.
Ok, venga.
We can do una mezcla como solo y después como retratos
Venga, tú
también.
primero sola.
Y la
¿De
especial
dónde?
Nueva Zelanda.
¿De dónde?
Nueva Zelanda.
Ah, ok.
Sí. ¿Y tú?
Yo de México.
Ok, guay. Tengo ganas de ir. Ok, vamos por aquí. Yes, estamos bien. Ok, boom. ¿Haz algo así? Sí. Oh, me encanta mirando por allá. Yes. Yes, caminando un poquito. Ok, ahora aquí. We have to be quick. Yes, guay. Sí, aguanto. Yes, haz esto un poquito más así, me mires así de atrás. Sí. Perfect, yes, see that? Perfect, yes. Perfect. And you want more too?
Yo no sé posar.
Así como besando y como chill. in pareja. So just do yourself, do you. See?
Sí, venga, vale, pero...
See? Yes, guys, perfect. Love it, love it. Perfect, yes, mola, mola. And one more like this, guys, yeah. Okay, guys, check this out.
Muchas gracias.
Estas son chulas, ¿no?
Están muy chulas, sí, sí.
Yes, esta me encanta también. Okay, guys, hasta luego. Que tengas un buen viaje. Okay, adiós, chao. Yo guys, what is up? Welcome back to another hashtag review. I hope you guys are all doing well, smashing those projects. So today we're going to be going through the hashtag. You guys have been doing some amazing work, uploading some amazing portraits. Like I've always said, you guys are super talented. Keep smashing them so I can give you guys shout outs. Also, presets are live. If you liked any of those edits in the video, then make sure you check out the presets. Links will be in the description. Let's get into it. Tomorrow, that was the first video of Madrid, guys, POV video, and then in the next video we are going to be doing a behind the scenes video on Sunday, which is going to be super dope. It's going to be with the R50. Okay, boom. So we are in this hashtag. Let's see what you guys have been doing. Don't forget as well, guys, that I do have presets available. If you liked any of those pictures in the video, then make sure you check the presets out. They're in the description. Super good price as well, and really excited to have those. Number one, we are going to go with this one here to Blaze, because you are so young and you are smashing the portraits. So amazing work. Good job. And then I'm going to go to this one here. That is a super cool portrait as well. And another one, let's see. And then for the next one, you guys, I'm going to go for this one here for JXR. I guess that's like Jordan. I don't know. Let me know if I'm right or wrong. But amazing work, and I love the location as well. So that's sick. This one here to my man Patrick. Always uploading really good shots. So amazing work. These portraits are sick and dope as always. Okay, these ones here, I'm in love with these pictures. Honestly, I saw you uploading these. This one goes to 2 Fly Pics. So I saw you uploading these recently and I was like, man, I love the color. The model is dope and I just love the picture. So here's another one, guys, going to 2 Fly Pics again. Amazing work. Some other ones that I like. So this one here is called Candid Souvenir Photography. In love with these. There's another one from Candid Souvenir Photography. I really love the color that you're using in here. It looks like super nice and like super soft, this pink color. These were like some different reviews that I got from clients. Maybe these can inspire you. They were like super nice. Okay, and let's go for a couple more. The next one we're gonna do is this one here. So We Connect Humans. Amazing work. This is like somebody that I've recently connected with and your shots are looking amazing. And then the last one, so B Carts 01, we are gonna give that one a like as well. So guys, amazing work, and like I said, we have another video coming up very soon for Madrid. I'm also gonna be in London tomorrow. If there's anybody gonna be around for the weekend, I'll be there for a week. Then we're gonna be going to Sweden, which is gonna be crazy, and I'm gonna be staying with Maya there. If you know her, Shameless Maya, she's a YouTuber as well. And I'm just super excited to meet her in her life with her family. So last time she was here and we were creating in Barcelona. Man, it's so hot, guys. Barcelona humidity. ¿Qué más? What else did I want to tell you guys? ¿Qué más quería decir? And then that is it for, man, is my plant getting bigger or what? I like left for a weekend and it's already a giant. But I've nurtured him from the ground up. So I love you guys. Keep enjoying your life. It's so good to be here talking to you guys again. And thank you for all the support. We're still smashing a shorter day, which is amazing. Let's get to 10K by the end of the month. See you later, guys. Adios.